This is a demonstration of the Agilent VPD harsh environment leak checking system at the CMAS facility of Covanta in Rochester, Massachusetts. The application being demonstrated is leak checking a power plant condenser system. The products being utilized for this demonstration are the Agilent VS leak detector and the harsh environment probe. This is a very important test for facilities that are creating electrical power, as there is a direct relationship between the integrity of the condenser and the condenser's efficiency. And while all condenser systems will leak, minimizing the leakage has a direct and dynamic effect on the plant's efficiency and the plant's electrical output. The process of finding leaks in power generation facilities, chemical plants, and similar facilities require a leak detector to sample gas that is primarily water vapor or steam and chemicals that would damage the detector. To prevent this damage from happening, Agilent has developed a specialized probe that works with our leak detector that is tailored to the demanding requirements of this and similar applications. The VS Harsh Environment, or HE probe, is designed to withstand the wet environment and high temperatures inside condenser piping without the need for dryers, chillers, a secondary vacuum pump, or throttling valves. The probe can either be held or installed in the exhaust of a pump on the condenser system, or can be flange mounted directly into the piping of the system under test. This portion of the demonstration shows the response when the probe is incorrectly inserted, so that the probe opening is generally in line with the outer wall of piping leading from the condenser to the inlet of the liquid ring vacuum pump. When placed in line with the outer wall of the piping, the process gas is turbulent and difficult for the probe to capture. As you will note, after the helium has been sprayed in an area of a known leak, the response time of the leak detector showing the leak is slow and, while clear, very gradual. This sluggish reaction renders the entire important process of leak checking a condenser system tedious, time-consuming, and prone to unclear results and missed leaks. The Agilent Harsh Environment probe is connected to the flange via an adjustable compression fitting, so the probe tip can be properly positioned in the center of all different sized pipe and plumbing. The demonstration will now show, under otherwise similar circumstances, the timely response to the helium being sprayed to the known leak. With the probe positioned approximately in the middle of the pipe, the flow of the gas from the leak to the liquid ring vacuum pump is less turbulent, more direct, and readily available for capture in the Agilent Harsh Environment probe tip. As a result, the response time of the signal to the leak detector is dramatically reduced. Now the team is leak checking the condenser and liquid ring subassembly. This area of the system includes a number of valves and fittings. While this demonstration does not show the Agilent VS leak detector cordless remote, one of the additional benefits to this system is the ability for one technician to perform both the application of helium as well as reading the VS leak detector without having to stand near it. This allows for greater speed and efficiency. The rest of the system is comprised of a number of very large valves, fittings, and piping that connects to the cooling towers and conditioning processes. The size of the system, coupled with a considerable number of large connections within this system, makes the helium signal response time and accuracy critical in assuring the effectiveness and efficiency of the leak checking of a power plant condenser system. To learn more about the Agilent Harsh Environment Leak Detection System, contact Agilent VPD at 1-800-882-7426. Thank you.